In front of me is Blackview A200 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. All you need to do is open Settings and scroll down to access passwords and accounts. Then hit this gear next to Google. Tap on this switcher if it's not already on, and after selecting Google Password Manager, add any password you want by hitting Add Password. Now it's time to input all of those informations. At the top you can pick any website or click Select App and tap on the chosen one. Then enter your username, email or phone number, password, and even some helpful notes. When you finish, hit Save at the top right corner. As you can see, after that, my password was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!